Hello, my name is Dalton Coppage, and for SPL4, I'll be talking about Microsoft Access as my major database management system product on the market today. I chose Access because after taking two Pacific courses, it seems this will be the essential database management system used during my time here, so it has the most relevance for me in my future college endeavors. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be discussing some of the major advantages and disadvantages when using this desktop database. But first, let me define what a desktop database management system is. Desktop DBMS for short is a database system made to function on a single platform. They allow for easy installation and a simple user-friendly database environment for a relatively low cost. It allows for people or small companies to take advantage of smaller data sets. There is usually no real predictive analytics or data mining done on these systems because of the limited amount of data the system can actually hold. And that just goes in relevance to big data analytics for companies that was also discussed in our readings for today. But after reading about Microsoft Access and going off of personal experience, it seems to be an extremely well-developed system. As a novice user, an easy startup environment is crucial, and I believe Access did a great job at making their system user-friendly. I know I have limited experience with other desktop databases, but after taking Comp 25, I felt it was pretty easy to pick up and get going, most likely from the use of wizards and other simple solution techniques. There is a reason Access is the most widely used desktop database system, and simplicity has to play into that. Microsoft Access also has an application size of 160 megabytes, which might be huge for a single user or too small for companies, depending on the user's specific needs. But whether you're a single user or a small company, though, a huge disadvantage to using Microsoft Access is in the name itself, Microsoft. If I or a client were to have a Mac computer, I would not be able to run this system. And I currently was using a Mac computer before this class, and there's absolutely no way to get around that problem or the disadvantage. From personal experience, I currently use a Mac, and one alternative I found was to run a program known as Parallels. This program enables delivery of virtual desktops and applications to any device for a fee, just as a quick background on what I had to do. Therefore, I would run Access on my Mac to complete assignments until I realized the damage and stress Parallels was causing on my computer. I was putting on my system, causing it to run. I was putting Access on my system, and it was causing it to run slow and shut down, or as I explained to my friends, just blowing up during my assignments, which caused me to invest in this little Lenovo right here. But so Access has this huge hurdle of only being compliant to only Windows operating systems, whereas another popular desktop DBMS known as FileMaker can operate on iOS, OS X, and Windows, making it seem like a better alternative for smaller companies. But I'm sure this comes with its own set of disadvantages as well too, because FileMaker isn't known to be the top desktop database management system. And that concludes my brief description about Microsoft Access. Thanks for listening and have a good day.